Good morning, everyone. I have no idea what time it is. We are staying at a boondocking spot near Parker, I think it's called, and which is near Lake Havasu City. But it is just over the border, just over the Arizona border in California. But we're also like right on the edge of an Indian reservation, and I know like some reservations don't like observe daylight savings and stuff, and so I really have no clue what time it is. My phone keeps bouncing around all over the place, so I have no clue. But today we're going to go head into Lake Havasu City, and we're going to check it out, do some exploring. But first, I'm going to make Lindsay some pancakes. Come here, Oki. Come here. Oki. Ella, come here. Come here, Ella. Come here. Come here. Hi. Good morning. Oakley and Ella are being such good girls after our little mountain bike ride this morning. All it takes is a little bit of extra exercise and they're pretty well behaved. So this is the London Bridge behind me. It's actually really neat. It is the London Bridge from the nursery rhyme, London Bridge is Falling Down. It has a lot of interesting history. It's basically really old, and when it was in London, they had to tear it down to make room for larger boats to go underneath it and larger vehicles to go over top of it. And so the founder of Lake Havasu City purchased it for like $2.5 million or something like that. And they shipped it over here brick by brick and put it back together. So it's pretty neat. It's got some pretty neat history. One of the interesting tidbits that is in it's in the brochure, it says that back in the day they used to put severed heads up at the gate of it and like along the side of it. So like that's just kind of shows how old it is. There's a lot of history with it. It's definitely a bit of a tourist trap. There's lots of bars and like tours and boat tours and stuff you can do, but it's really cool to see. And then Lake Havasu in general is really awesome. It feels like we're in the Caribbean or like in Florida, but without the humidity. The weather's perfect. The water's a little cold, but like it's really nice. It's definitely kind of like a vacation spot. But I would totally come back here on a vacation and like have a resort or rent a boat or whatever and just go, you know, explore the lake. It's really cool. And then the mountains are right there. It's beautiful weather. I mean, it's like the beginning of March right now, so I mean, a lot of places are still dealing with cold and ice and snow, and it's just beautiful here. I think their slogan is like "Enjoy Paradise" or something, and it kind of feels like paradise, but it's weird because we're in the middle of nowhere in the desert.
We're gonna wrap up the day with some Dairy Queen for the dogs and some food for us. It was super fun checking out the London Bridge and going for a little mountain bike ride this morning. And this city is actually really cool, and I didn't really know what to expect. But I'm glad to say that Lake Havasu City exceeded my expectations. It's a neat little city, and I could totally see doing a family vacation here someday. Why does Oakley eat it like that? She's eating it.
Oakley, you're so weird. This is what you get for being good girls. They were actually really good today. When we were mountain biking, the trail was very popular with hikers as well. And we passed a ton of hikers, and both Oakley and Ella were super friendly. Like, people were petting Ella, which is crazy because a few months ago I never would have thought Ella would let strangers pet her, but they did really well.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more of our adventures. Thanks for living life with us today, and we'll see you in the next video.